Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I am beyond happy. I am beyond glad to be finally be able to react to another Fujikaze. Oh my gosh. How are all of you, my Fujikaze fanatics, my fellow Fujikan fanatics, Fujikaze fanatics, guys. Oh my gosh. Yes, I have to explain myself. All right. I've been absent for a good couple of months, okay? If you guys don't know, I have been copyright stricken twice, and I do know for a fact that it is, if it's not directly, yeah, I was copyright stricken by Tiny Desk. So as much as you want me to react to all of his, like, you know, Tiny Desk like performances, as much as I want to, guys, I just cannot risk, you know, the possibility of me being blocked once, of being copyright stricken once again, because oh my, it only will just take one more strike for me to go bye-bye, okay? And I really do mean it. 3 copyright strikes is equivalent to, you know, the channel being gone, like out, nowhere to be found. Okay, so yes, that's the reason why I kind of withheld myself from reacting to this. Oh my god, to my Oshi. to my very dearest Fujikaze, of course, here, right? So that explains. And the other one that I got copyright stricken was that of, like, the cover of Fujikaze's particular song, I believe. So yeah, so it kind of involves Fujikaze, both copyright strikes. So I was like, no, I cannot risk myself. Okay, I cannot risk the channel for being, of it being, like, gone or erased, or like gone, really. So what am I even saying? I'm so excited. to be listening to this man once again. And although this is going to be, like, one of his, like, older covers, and yes, but for me alone, for me to be reacting to him, what am I doing? I can't even finish my sentences. For me to be reacting alone to this guy, no matter if he was, like, a child, an infant, I don't even care. For the mere fact that we are going to talk about him alone is heaven enough. Okay, so yes, we are going to react to his cover of Rain, Garden of Words. Of course, guys, please do not forget to support the dude. Oh my gosh, you know how much I adore him, right? So wow, just do support him. Continuously do requests for other reactors to react to his songs, and etc. Just continuously promote this dude. The whole universe needs to hear this man, and it's going to be, oh my gosh, let's just stop talking, okay? Because I can't even finish my sentences anyway, and it's almost like 4 minutes of just me blabbering here. Okay. You have to forgive me, guys. You know, it's been quite a good while. But yeah, let's go ahead and check this one out. 1, 2, 3, let us play this. Oh my god. Why is he like, what's up with the wet look? Oh my golly. Fujikaze always gives me the feels. Oh, I miss him so much. I need to calm down.
街角ではそう誰もが急いでた君じゃない悪いのは自分の激しさを隠せない僕の方さ出入り君は雨に眠る着いた駅を少し走った土砂降りでも構わないとずぶ濡れでも構わないとしぶき上げる君が消えてく路地裏じゃ朝が早いから今のうちに君を捕まえ行かないで行かないでそう
行かないでOh my gosh.
肩が乾いたシャツ改札を出る頃君の街じゃもう雨は小降りになる今日だけが明日に続いてるこんな風に君とは終われないねえ君は今もこうして小さめの傘もささずに
He memorizes all the songs? Listen to that. Having chills. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. How gifted can one person be, you know? Okay, flex it, please. Oh my gosh. Oh. He only looked at the camera for like a split second, you know, but hey, that's all I need. That is all I need. Oh my gosh. I was lost for a sec right there. I was like, where was I again? Yeah, I mean, wow, I miss this man so much that word cannot even begin to describe how much I miss him. Because, wow, he's just really, you know, he's just something else. Here we are once again, guys. I've never reacted to any videos as of like the last couple of months like this. Like I'm lost of words. I'm like at the very end of the song, nothing to say. The zero, nada, nothing. Oh my gosh, because he consumed everything that is all that I am. I can't even begin to describe what I felt, and still is feeling, by the way. Yes. He's just different, okay? He's just pure love, pure joy, and pure, you know, entertainment. And I don't know. Can you tell me what am I supposed to say? Because really, I don't even know if I know words anymore. Oh my golly, this is like what? I don't know. Guys, maybe you can tell me. maybe it's better this way, I'll be watching and you'll be the one reacting and telling me your emotions and everything like that through the comment section below. Come on, sometimes maybe I do need a break from all these reactions, and let's switch places once in a while, because there's like a give and take kind of thing. Oh my gosh, really, I'm going bollocks as usual, guys. You have to understand me, and I do love you all for always, being so understanding of me and for always relating to what I'm going through. Anyways, right. So yes, guys. Oh my gosh, you need to tell me what's up with this man. I need to keep, I need to be updated. I need to know the updates. Please do tell me. Write it down, please, on the comment section below. I'd love to hear everything, every little detail, okay? Don't miss, any little detail, because no, just no. But anyways, guys, do not forget to support him. I hope to see you all next time. You guys take care. Bye.